Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Karina, also known as Ohmglashes here on YouTube. And Lincoln is right here, so if you're hearing some toys rattling, that's him. Today's video is going to be a hygiene haul, spring edition. I'm going to show you guys some products that I recently picked up from Walmart as well as Ulta Beauty. I do have other videos as well where I've done hygiene hauls, so I will list them up here if you guys are interested in that. But yeah, let's jump right into this video because Mr. Lincoln is, yeah, he's on one today. The first thing that's just kind of standing out to me is this Frank body exfoliator. I love to exfoliate my body. I don't do it very often. I kind of forget. But when I do, I love a good body scrub. I've used the Tree Hut, I believe, the ones that you can find at Walmart, Target, and Ulta. I've used this in the past and I really like them, but I wanted to try something that was a coffee scrub because I've heard that they're really good for your skin. They help with cellulite, and girl, after having a baby, like my skin is all types of crazy and wobbly and full of cellulite. So as I was checking out from Ulta, I saw this. I was like, ooh, that looks very interesting. And honestly, this is what caught my attention. It says, guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. It's the original coffee scrub. This exfoliates your skin for smooth, glowing skin. I have used this about maybe 2 or 3 times already, and I absolutely love it. It smells so delicious. I love coffee. I'm a huge coffee drinker, and I just love how it makes the skin feel. It feels so soft. Like I said, I don't exfoliate all the time, but when I do, this is the one that I've been using. So I really enjoy this one. If you're looking for something that's really going to exfoliate the skin and make your skin feel super soft, I highly recommend this one. Another product from Ulta is this. Now this one, I saw it on TikTok. It kind of went viral, and the girl that talks about it, like, that product was sold out. So this is by the brand Completely Bare, and this is what the packaging looks like. It actually just came back in stock, and when I was sent an email from Ulta, I had to get it. So this is the Calm Down Ingrown Hair Razor Bump and Redness Eliminator. It contains marvel of Peru and aloe vera. I'm just going to give you information because honestly, I don't exactly know how it works. The girl that I saw on TikTok claims that this did really help her. So this one says, tackle razor rash and alleviate shaving and waxing woes with our high potency formula. Calm down resurfaces skin and helps prevent razor bumps. While it softens the skin, it diminishes discoloration. Skin is soothed, redness is reduced, and ingrown hairs eliminated. So it has a whole bunch of really good ingredients. I will have it listed in the description box down below. Hopefully it's not sold out, and hopefully it works. And if it does, I will update you guys. This is what the packaging on the inside looks like. And it's like a little dropper, so you just drop it onto a cotton pad or anything and just apply it down there. So when I saw that, I also got recommended some products from Gillette Venus. I don't know if these are new, but they were having a sale. I think it was like buy one, get one half off. It's the Gillette Venus for pubic hair and skin. It helps protect pubic skin. It has a little irritation defense bar, and that just caught my attention. I don't know if this is like a gimmicky product that just gets you to buy the razor because it's specifically designed to be for down there, but I was like, you know what, I'm going to try it. Why not? I already have all these products. I might as well get something that's going to make it even better. It does come with 2 cartridges, which I thought was pretty nice. I don't remember the price on this. I want to say this was maybe like $19 or something like that. But this one is really cute, and it's white, it's sleek, it's just like your normal Gillette razor. But if you notice, I'm going to take it off so you guys can see. It does have that irritation bar. Do you guys see that little white bar right here? There's like a, I don't know how to explain it. You have to see it for yourself. Again, I will have it listed in the description box in case you guys are interested. But I'm really excited to try this out. And I just dropped it. They also have this 2-in-1 cleanser and shave gel for pubic hair and skin. So obviously I got the razor. I was like, you know what, I'm going to buy this and try them together, see how it works. It doesn't have a scent, but it feels, oh, it does lather up. Do you guys see that? How it's like lathering up? But it does feel pretty thick. Oh, I am excited about that. I've never tried anything like this. Sorry if I keep cutting off, but Lincoln, I keep trying to keep him distracted with like toys, but he's just staring at me. You wanna come sit with me? You wanna come sit with me? Let me Let me just grab him. Maybe he just wants to, you know, be part of the team. And I guess I can show you guys how big he's getting now. So Mr. Lincoln is officially, he's about to be 6 months in a few days. And he is wearing a size 12 months. He is a big boy. He just woke up from a nap. He is so big. I can barely like carry him. He's so heavy and thick. He's thick. He's currently 20 pounds and I think 28 inches long. So he is 95th percentile for his height. So he is a big, big boy. All right. Well, you know, this is the joy of being a mom. You gotta work with what you have, and you're working with a baby right now. Okay, sir, but let's not touch, okay? The last thing that I bought from Ulta are some Crest 3D white strips. I don't think I've ever used white strips from Crest or any brand. I think I've tried some from like Instagram and stuff, but I'm so bad at staying consistent, and I really wanted to try and to keep my teeth super white. So I saw these, and I think they were on sale. And I was like, okay, you know what? I'm going to buy them and I'm going to get my teeth to look white. I know my teeth look white because of the lights. And yeah, that helps a lot. My teeth, I guess, are naturally a little bit on the white side. But the lights help, you guys. I'm telling you, they're not as white as they appear on camera. I get that question a lot. Like, how do you whiten your teeth? I'm like, I don't. It's just the lights. They give me a little extra boost. So I can't have crooked teeth and yellow teeth. Like, I have to pick a struggle. So I'm going to keep them nice and white. Oh my gosh, he's such a wiggle worm, you guys. I'm going to see if he can... I'm going to bring him a toy because this boy will not stay still. Moving on from Ulta, really quickly, I just wanted to mention a deodorant that I found. So if you guys have seen my other videos, and I'm sure I've spoken about this in the past, but in case you are new, I have struggled with BO underneath my armpits for a very long time, ever since I can remember. I was telling my husband the other day that a memory came to me when I was in like middle school. I was walking home from school and I was wearing like a polo shirt and it was super hot. I am from Anthony, New Mexico. So New Mexico, El Paso, Texas is like super, super hot. And I was sweating. You can see like the armpits, like they were wet. My armpits were so wet and it was so embarrassing. And ever since I can remember, I've always struggled with just a smell. And I am a very clean person. I wash my body every single night. I don't wash my hair every day, but I do wash my body every night. And even then, like I sweat, especially now that I am breastfeeding. I noticed a big jump once I started breastfeeding him. I don't know if it's because the hormones are just crazy, but I noticed that I would sweat and then I would just smell. Like I could not go a day without showering because my armpits would smell disgusting. And it's so embarrassing. And when I'm telling you, I've tried so many different deodorants. I have tried so many different deodorants. I feel like I've tried almost every single brand from the drugstore and nothing has worked for me. I've tried aluminum free. I've tried the native deodorant. That one made me stink so bad. Thankfully, my husband is very honest with me and I totally appreciate it. And he would tell me like, babe, your pits stink. I'm like, oh, can you smell them? That's how bad it was. Like if he was sitting next to me, he could smell my armpits. That's just no. So I had enough. I was like, okay, I need to find something that's going to work for me because I live in Texas now. I've heard it gets disgustingly hot here and I don't want to be smelling. I don't want my pits to smell. I don't want to be embarrassed to hug somebody and think to myself, oh my gosh, did they smell my armpits? That's how bad it was. So I did my research and I remember that I seen this commercial a lot. This is by the brand Lumi, and this video is not sponsored like I wish it was, but no. I bought this with my own money. I've seen this a lot from YouTube to TV, just everywhere. So this claims to have a 72-hour odor control. It is a deodorant for underarms and private parts. This is a little bit expensive, but honestly, this is so worth it, you guys. I got 2 scents, Clean Tangerine and Coconut Crush. The cool thing, well, cool to me, is that they are actually based off of Salt Lake City, Utah, which is where I used to live. And I have been using the Clean Tangerine. This one is also aluminum free, baking soda free, and it's naturally scented. I think I've been using this for about close to 2 weeks now. And I told my husband, I was like, okay, let's do the pit test. And I had him smell me. He's like, you don't smell. I'm like, oh my gosh. And I could tell that I didn't smell. So again, showered that night. The next morning, just did the same thing. And I think I've had him like pit check me for the past like week and a half, and I have not smelled, not once, you guys. And you have no idea how happy this deodorant has made me. Like, this has changed my life. This has made me feel... Okay, sorry, I lost my train of thought. I had to go get Lincoln some snacks and keep him a little bit entertained. He is in this little like jungle gym mat thing that has a bunch of stuff. So if you guys hear some music, that's where it's coming from. Okay, let's move on. So yeah, just wanted to shout Lumi out for making a bomb deodorant. This has not irritated my skin. It has not burned me. Even after I apply it, when I'm done shaving, it doesn't irritate my skin. And it really has kept me odor free, which is so amazing. Okay. Now let's move on to my Walmart haul. I didn't buy too many stuff. I just needed a few things. And I love smelling good, you guys. Like, I like that fresh scent. So I picked up this brand of body wash. I've seen, oh my gosh, look, I found a cranberry in my Walmart bag. Anyways, I have been really into this brand. It is Method Body. I bought a little body wash, a small one. I think it was like pomegranate. I don't remember, but I bought a small one, a travel size one when, you know, I was traveling and we moved here. I didn't want to buy a full size. I wanted to use that one first to see how I liked it. And oh my gosh, I loved it. It made my skin feel so silky, so soft. And I felt like it really cleaned my skin without stripping me from my natural like skin oils. So I wanted to buy a different one. They didn't have the one that I wanted, but this one smells really good. And it seems like their products are always out of stock, which makes me believe it's a good thing, like if this brand is being sold like that. I really also like that these are naturally derived products. No bad vibes. Love, love, love how this one smelled. And honestly, it was like the only one, but it does smell really good. I love that it's not an overpowering scent. And I have a hard time finding good body washes that don't dry me out, because I wash my body or I shower with really, really hot water, which I know is bad. You're not supposed to, you know, shower with extremely boiling hot water, but that's just how I like my showers. So definitely love this one. I would love to know what's your favorite body wash. The other one that I really like is the Dove, and that's the one my husband uses, but I like to be extra and have my own body wash. I also picked up a new loofah. I do like to switch my nouts at least every like 3 months. If I can, I try to switch it every month, just because these tend to hold a lot of bacteria and nasty stuff. But, you know, it is what it is. I'm the only one that uses it. This one is super cute, and it's just the Equate brand. This one was $3, which I thought was a good price. I like the loofahs that get super big, but not the ones that get loose, because then they get like all crazy looking. So, yeah, that is that for body wash. The very last thing that I bought is a... what's it called? A mouthwash that I've been obsessed with for the past few months. This is the TheraBreath Dentist Formulated Fresh Breath Oral Rinse. This one fights bad breath. And let me tell you that I looked up and down for a good mouthwash, because when I was pregnant, again, your hormones change. Your body is going through creating a whole human, okay? So my body was going through a lot of changes, and I've noticed that I had a lot of I had really bad breath. And again, my husband is very honest with me, and he would tell me, he'd be like, "Ooh, girl, your breath stank." And I'm like, oh my gosh, I can taste it. I felt like I had bad breath. And mind you, I feel like I have a very good like oral hygiene. I brush my teeth at night and in the mornings. I don't brush them in between like meals, but just night and day. And I do use a tongue scraper and a mouthwash, and still it wasn't doing it for me. I just felt like I was always like super thirsty, and I think that's where the bad breath was coming from. So I did some research and I found this one, and also Juicy Jazz recommended this one. So I was like, okay, she has a beautiful smile. I totally trust her recommendations. So I tried this one, and oh my gosh, let me tell you that this works. Obviously, your breath is not going to smell like a mint in the morning, but it reduces the bad breath by like, I want to say like 90%. It really works. And I find that when I use this in the morning after I've brushed my teeth, it helps me to stay like fresh throughout the entire day. If you drink tons of coffee, this is going to help you so much. So I really recommend it. The first one I got was the pink one, and then I really like that one actually because it keeps you like super minty at night, but I really like this one just for a morning breath purpose. So love this stuff. This is like I think my second or third bottle. That is it for my spring haul. These are the products that I like to use to keep myself smelling super fresh and clean, and I'm really excited to try out the razor and the Calm Down Ingrown Hair Razor Bump and Redness Eliminator. Share your products with me on what you love to use to keep yourself smelling super delicious, because I'm always on the hunt for new products. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!